Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitHub Actions for automated CI workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate GitHub Actions for automated CI workflows, start by navigating to your GitHub repository. On the repository homepage, locate the Actions tab near the top of the page. Click on the Actions tab to enter the GitHub Actions dashboard. You will be presented with a list of suggested workflows. Select a workflow template that matches your project's needs. If none of the templates suit your requirements, click on Set up a workflow yourself. This will redirect you to an editable YAML file where you can define your workflow. In the YAML file, begin by specifying the name of your workflow. Next, define the trigger for your workflow using the on key. Common triggers include push, pull_request, or schedule for timed executions. Below the trigger, define the jobs that will run as part of the workflow. Each job should have a unique identifier and specify the environment it will run in using runs on. For example, you can use Ubuntu latest or Windows latest depending on your project's needs. Under each job, specify the steps for execution. Each step requires an action or command you want to run, defined by the steps key. You can use existing actions from the GitHub Marketplace or create your own custom steps. Once your YAML file is configured, click on the Start Commit button to save your changes. Provide a commit message to describe the modifications you made. Finally, click on the Commit New File button to activate your workflow. Once committed, navigate back to the Actions tab to see your workflow in action. GitHub will automatically run the workflow based on the triggers you defined. You can monitor the progress and check the logs associated with each job being executed. If you need to make adjustments, simply edit the YAML file and commit the changes again. Congratulations, you have successfully activated GitHub Actions for your CI workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.